There is a name that resonates with a happier and more fulfilling life. Built on the frames of trust, the name is Hyundai Department Store Group, a global leader in manufacturing, distribution, and retail. Under the umbrella of Hyundai Department Store Group, Hyundai L&C brings to life a new chapter in interior products and design excellence through spatial intelligence. Innovation and design excellence, deeply rooted in spatial intelligence, is fused into every corner of today's living space. Beautiful scenery, relaxation, better tomorrow, happy and fulfilling life. Your life will become a new culture with Hyundai L&C.